world of duality where the good
Yeah.
and bad coexist with
Yeah.
each other. How does one, how important it is to self-evaluate from time to time? Because it's so easy to, dip into the bad. I have seen people so easily, and so many times there's when you're on a path, there is a rerouting. God will test you. He will bring you these diversions, in your life. So how
Yes.
important it is to reevaluate all the time
वेरी
or from time
इम्पॉर्टेंट,
to time.
वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट.
Yeah.
और ये मैं कभी नहीं भूलती हूँ, बिकॉज व्हेन आई हैड गिवन अ कमिटमेंट कि ठीक है, पढ़ाई के बाद, सर्जरी के बाद, I was back on my feet within a month. Even my doctor was shocked. My surgeon was really shocked. He's like, तनाज़, मैंने हेमा मालिनी के नीज़ पे भी सर्जरी की है, लेकिन तुम्हारे जैसे पेशेंट मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. Okay, so and I got him also after I did NLP. वरना तब तक 2 साल तक I was limping, a wheelchair, a लकड़ी, stuff like that, where I completely became crazy, thinking, oh my God, my dream is shattered. And that's when I realized that if this is my journey ahead, then I have to commit to it. बहुत सारे offers आए थे for serials, for OTT. Then I said, लेकिन क्या मैं उतना commitment दे पाऊँगी मेरे students को, clients को, मेरे business को? Because इस बार ना I want to bet, but I want to bet on myself. अगर मैं fail भी होंगी ना, तो it is my failure. It is because of me, not because I didn't try hard.
Yeah.
I have to bet on myself this time. And so many people told me कि अरे नहीं यार, इतने सारे सीरियल्स आ रहे हैं, आती हुई लक्ष्मी को तुम ठुकरा रहे हो, एंड ये तो तुम्हारा काम है यार, तुम एक्ट्रेस पहले हो. एंड मैंने बहुत सुना. आई हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ स्लीपलेस नाइट्स. आई वॉज वेरी इरिटेबल एट दैट टाइम. आई वॉज कश्मकश में थी कि हाँ यार, 30 साल मैंने तो वही काम किया है ना, तो आज मैं क्यों इतना डर रही हूँ? वाई एम आई नॉट डूइंग इट? देन आई रियलाइज दैट इनसाइड मी ओनली आई डेंट फील लाइक गोइंग. तो मैं कभी भी वो उस काम को जस्टिस नहीं दे पाऊंगी.
Yeah.
बिकॉज अभी मेरे ख्यालात बदल गए थे, और अभी मेरे नीड्स और वांट्स
Yeah.
सब कुछ बदल गया है.
A rerouting was happening.
Rerouting was happening, and always something like this happens in my
Yeah.
life. हमेशा भगवान मुझे टेस्ट करता है. अच्छा बच्चा, तुम्हें ये करना है, चलो ये डाल देते हैं तुम्हारे on the way.
Yeah,
देखते हैं तुम पिकअप करते हो या नहीं. And I'm
Yeah.
always like, अरे हे भगवान, you are still testing me, कि नहीं, मैं नहीं पिकअप करूँगी अब. Just like now, I will not pick up the bad habits. I'm not going to pick up the temptation.
Yeah.
I want to test myself. Really. Even if no one believes in me.
That is beautiful.
Yeah,
That is very beautiful.
I don't have many people believing in me, but I know that they will come.
Once you are in tune with your own self, like aligned with your own
Yeah.
higher self, you don't need
Yeah,
approval
validation.
of others. You don't need
Yeah.
validation.
My students are more than enough.
Yeah.
When they love me, when they bless me,
Yes.
when they enjoy each class with me.
Yes.
And हर एक class का अलग अलग ये है
Yeah, it's
ना,
on the group.
vibration है.
Yes, on the group that is formed.
Yeah. और
It's so much
उनमें
fun.
friendships भी होती है,
Yes.
जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love it. I enjoy it.
So universe is always speaking to us.
Of course.
And it's very important to be in alignment with the universe to receive these messages, to understand that there is a message coming. Even if there's a catastrophe that's entering your life, universe does give you warning signs. There will be
Yes.
always 2 or 3 warning signs before these things occur,
Yeah.
So do you feel aligned? Do you receive these messages? Do you talk to the universe?
Yes, all the time. The universe talks to me. It's just that you have to be patient and you have to calm down ताकि आप वो language पढ़ सको.
Yes.
बस उतना ही. और कुछ साल पहले something very unique happened to me, and I spoke about this to another ज्योतिष or guru. It was a friend of mine. कि जब मैं किसी के साथ बात करती हूँ ना, and आधे में something happens, and I don't want to say the rest of it.
Ah.
Something happens in my throat, and I know that I am not supposed to share this with you.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be a secret or anything.
Yes, I got it.
You know, it can be just normal conversation, लेकिन ये इसके पल्ले नहीं पड़ने वाला है. इसकी कोई मतलब ज़रूरत नहीं है या इसका कुछ कल्मिनेशन पॉइंट नहीं होने वाला है.
Don't expend your energy
हाँ,
unnecessarily.
यहाँ पे आपका एनर्जी वेस्ट मत करना. That's what I understood afterwards.
Yes.
But seriously, when I used to start talking, I used to get a pain over here.
That's beautiful.
And I used to be like, I'm like, यार मुझे
Your
बात नहीं
body
करनी
is
है.
giving you indications
हाँ.
that stop you.
Stop. और मुझे बात नहीं करनी है. Then I said, why is this happening? I'm looking so rude. And I'd yet not started on any journey.
Achha.
This was far beyond my awakening. Or I don't know whether I'm awakened.
We are always awakened.
Yeah.
Actually speaking, there are always these things keep happening to us.
Yeah, but then I could literally
don't
see
realize
it.
it, yes.
Even now, like now, of course, I've honed that talent. But मैं बस इंसान को देख के बता सकती हूँ कि नहीं यहाँ पे I don't want to talk much. And this is becoming more often, you know.
Eventually, it happens that we don't want to
Yeah.
talk too much.